Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at two AI app builders getting a lot of attention, Replit and Lovable.
That's right. We've gone through the sources comparing them pretty closely.
And our mission here is really to boil it down. What's the key difference you need to grasp before you jump into one?
Exactly. We had strict criteria, both got the same quite detailed prompt.
Yeah, it wasn't simple. Front-end stuff, back-end filtering, needed a database connection.
And a measurable output. We ran them both on their free tiers side by side.
Okay, so we're testing speed, initial results, design, back-end integration, price.
And ultimately, value based on, well, how much coding you actually know.
So let's get right into it. First up, speed. How quickly did they spit something out?
Lovable was noticeably faster. It delivered its first result, like a dashboard and auth pages, in about 3 minutes, maybe a little more.
3 minutes, okay. And Replit?
Replit took closer to 5.5 minutes, so yeah, a little bit behind there.
Interesting. But you mentioned something kind of funny happened.
Oh yeah, this is weird. We didn't ask for a specific name in the prompt at all.
Right.
But both platforms generated an app called TaskFlow.
Wait, both of them? Seriously?
Both. TaskFlow, like they were, I don't know, reading each other's non-existent minds. It was odd.
Huh. The AI hive mind at work. Okay, but names aside, did they, work initially?
Well, Lovable did. We tested it right away, put in a task like wash my sad face or something
Does
silly.
it work?
Yep. Created the task, no problem. Smooth.
And Replit, the
Yeah.
one that took longer?
That's where we hit the first snag.
Yeah.
Tried to create the same kind of task, got an error,
Yeah.
failed to create task, please try again, and it kept doing it.
Persistently, not just a one-off glitch.
No, persistent,
Okay.
which suggests, the back end maybe wasn't fully connected or the database wasn't quite ready, even though the front end looked like it was there.
So Replit's approach seems to be build the structure first, even if it's not fully functional immediately.
Seems like it. It prioritizes getting the code scaffold out, maybe at the cost of that instant working result.
Okay, so Replit's slower, stumbled initially. How about the looks? Did it win the beauty contest? We did ask for something easy on the eyes.
Not really. Not initially, anyway. Lovable definitely looked better right out of the box. Kinder on the eyes, just like the prompt asked. It's really good at generating those polished UIs fast.
Right, that 3-minute polish. You can see the appeal if you need something quick for, say, a demo.
Exactly. If you're a founder needing to impress someone like now, Lovable gets you there faster visually.
But that speed comes with trade-offs, right? What about customization?
That's the key difference, really. With Lovable, you get that speed and polish. But if you want to go beyond their standard layouts or tweak things deeply, you can hit limits.
You might need to regenerate or just accept how Lovable does things.
Pretty much. Whereas Replit, even though it was slower and buggier at first,
It gives you the keys to the whole thing.
exactly, full code access. It drops you into a complete IDE, a proper development environment.
So after the AI does its initial generation, you can just dive in.
Yep. Change anything, integrate libraries, connect different services, completely redo the design if you want. No platform walls holding you back.
That's a major difference, though we should probably mention both do the basics for teamwork, right?
Right? Oh, yeah, definitely. Both let you connect to GitHub, hook up to things like Superbase for the database side, and you can invite collaborators easily on either one. That's kind of table stakes now.
Okay, good. So let's talk about the bottom line, pricing and who should use which. The prices seem pretty similar.
Very close. Both have a free tier. Replit lets you have, I think, up to 10 public acts free.
And the paid tiers?
Replit Pro is about $25 a month. Teams $40. Lovable Pro is also $25. Business is $50. So yeah, really comparable. Student discounts too.
So price isn't the main driver here. It really comes down to the user.
Absolutely. Here's the synthesis. If you know, like, nothing about coding, you've never written a line of code, and you need an app that works and looks decent right now,
Then Lovable's the way to go.
clear winner for that use case. It optimizes for speed to a functional, good-looking, minimum viable product. 0 to MVP fast.
Okay.
But if you know a little something, maybe you've tinkered before, or especially if you have a development team,
Then Replit starts to look much better.
it's the better long-term fit, primarily because of that full code access. You won't suddenly hit a wall 3 months later when you need to customize something specific or scale up.
You have the freedom to evolve it however you need.
Precisely.
Right, that makes sense.
So the final thought, really, for you listening, is to consider, how much technical skill are you bringing to this today? And what do you value more right now? Is it that instant polish, getting something looking good immediately?
Or is it the long-term freedom that comes with owning and being able to change every single piece of the code down the line?
That's the core question to mull over.